Aquilina Resort and Residences on the Beach, Sunny Isles Beach, Miami. Visitors to the Aquilina Resort and Residences on the beach may expect a lot of glitz and luxury. This luxury utopia, located on the golden beaches of Miami's Sunny Isles Beach, is a delight for all your senses. The Atlantic beach glows with bright blue ocean, which is backed by towering palms, leading tourists to a wonderfully proportioned hotel that they won't want to leave. This spectacular hotel, winner of the 2020 AAA 5 Diamond Award and consistently chosen the greatest resort in the United States, provides everything you might desire in a Florida vacation. Visitors are invited to completely unwind with 4.5 kilometers of pure beach, 54 luxurious hotel rooms, and 44 magnificent suites. Add a treatment or 3 at the remarkable spa, and you'll beg to prolong your stay. Four Seasons Resort, Palm Beach. The Four Seasons Resort in Palm Beach is difficult not to fall in love with. You'll get the finest of the best in terms of service at this premium chain's resorts, including sunglass washing while you soak up the rays on the private beach and cold water delivered to your lounge chair. There's lots of entertainment on site, including poolside movies, cooking lessons, and a full water sports team at your disposal. They can organize beach sports like as paddle boarding, snorkeling, and surfing for visitors, while those who want to stay on land may play tennis, basketball, volleyball, or croquet on this picturesque barrier island. While the Four Seasons is ideal for a romantic getaway, children are welcome to take use of the resort's many services. The complimentary Kids for All Seasons program keeps kids occupied, and children under the age of 4 dine for free. The team game room is recommended for older children. The 194 large rooms and 14 suites are perfectly decorated with a modern yet luxurious ambience and bright colors that complement the breathtaking views. Florey's, Seaway, and Nibbles by the Pool are just a few of the restaurants worth visiting. Boca Beach Club, Boca Raton. It's no wonder that the Boca Beach Club centers around its shining star, a clean, exclusive, golden beach, given its magnificent location in ritzy Boca Raton. This beautiful Waldorf Astoria resort, with 356 acres of shoreline on both the Intracoastal Waterway and Lake Boca, is a paradise for travelers wishing to relax while soaking up the grandeur of a 5-star hotel. The seaside view is highlighted by floor-to-ceiling windows, and rainfall showers enable visitors to relax a bit longer while rinsing away sand from a day spent playing in the surf. The Beach Club, which is part of the historic Boca Raton Resort and Club, has a spa, fitness center, tennis courts, fitness classes, and 3 beachfront pools. A supper at the superb Sea Grill restaurant provides excellent food in a picture-perfect location. The Breakers, Palm Beach. The Breakers, a Renaissance-style masterpiece on affluent Palm Beach on Florida's East Coast, has no shortage of luxury. This historic hotel has adorned the picturesque golden shores of the Atlantic Ocean since 1896, greeting tourists who like their vacations with a side of extravagance. Along with their parents, children are allowed to enjoy this opulent residence. There are special family suites available, as well as a 6,100 square foot family entertainment center with a playground, playroom, and lots of activities to keep kids entertained. The Ritz-Carlton Naples. Only a few properties can match the quality of service provided by a Ritz-Carlton. The company's intrinsic ability to pamper visitors beyond their wildest fantasies is shown by the 5-star, AAA 5 Diamond Luxury Hotel dotting the gorgeous sands of Naples Beach. You'll beg to prolong your stay once you see the amazing sunset views over the Gulf of Mexico. The 447 guest rooms and suites are as luxurious as you'd expect from a resort of this class, with balconies, soaking baths, and plenty of space to spread out. Families are welcome, and the 3-bedroom royal suite can accommodate everyone while providing 4 balconies from which to enjoy the breathtaking views. Ponte Vedra Inn and Club, Ponte Vedra Beach. What's a beach resort without a fantastic stretch of silky soft sand? Less than stellar, that's what. You won't have to worry about a rock-strewn base at Ponte Vedra Inn and Club. An opulent resort favored by families and couples alike, this magnificent spot is a must for those looking for an unforgettable stay. Rent a kayak or paddleboard, or ride a beach bicycle through the sand. When you've gotten your fill of the sun, retire to your beautiful seaside suite for some alone time. Each of the 262 rooms features scenic views and salty sea breezes, transforming a trip into a pleasant vacation. The Lodge and Club, Ponte Vedra Beach. The Lodge and Club is situated on a natural dune-backed beach that runs the length of the Atlantic coast between St. Augustine and Jacksonville, and is next to the Ponte Vedra Inn and Club. This 4-diamond resort is a boutique gem with first-class charm and outstanding facilities, as well as breathtaking ocean views. This charming lodge has 66 excellent rooms and suites, making it a smaller hotel than its bigger brother. A stay at this lovely location seems both private and opulent due to its size, excellent service, and magnificent surroundings. Plus, guests are free to enjoy the amenities at its sister site, including a free shuttle bus to transport them between resorts. Opal Sands Resort, Clearwater. You won't forget you're on the Gulf Coast while staying at the chic Opal Sands Resort on Clearwater Beach. This is one of the best resorts in Clearwater. Emerald waves can be seen glistening from almost every corner of this classy modern hotel, most notably from the floor-to-ceiling windows and private balconies fronting each guest room. The walls of each room, as well as the rest of the hotel, are adorned with intriguing, maritime-inspired art, emphasizing the main reason you came: to enjoy the beach and the great sea beyond. Upgrade to a suite for greater living space, and a queen-sized sleeper sofa to accommodate an extra child or 2. There are 4 restaurants in the resort that serve food that is so wonderfully fresh that you'll want seconds. The pool bar makes it simple to spend the entire day in your swimwear, and Sea Guinea's handcrafted pastas and seafood are as delicious as the breathtaking Gulf vistas. The Ocean Resort, Fort Lauderdale. The finest way to appreciate Florida's soft, sandy coasts is to visit a private beach, which means visitors of the Ocean Resort in Fort Lauderdale are in for a treat. Travelers visiting this luxury resort on Fort Lauderdale Beach will find an exclusive stretch of caramel sand enticing them to enjoy the azure waves and as many water sports as they can cram into one day. Visitors wishing to cool themselves without fighting the surf will find 2 pools to their liking. The Mermaid Show at Rec Bar provides a dining backdrop you won't forget, while 4 restaurants serving authentic South Floridian fare are on hand to satisfy hunger and delight gastronomes. Little Palm Island Resort and Spa, Little Torch Key. This remote luxury resort is only accessible by boat or seaplane, and no children under the age of 18 are permitted on the property. So, if you really want to relax, this is the place to go. 4 acres of sugar white beach, backed by tall, waving palms, are the main attraction of this lovely barrier island. 30 thatched roof bungalows with nicely designed rooms are set back from the turquoise sea. Technology is one item that guests will not discover here. Each room is devoid of televisions and phones, allowing guests to focus on the beautiful gifts that nature has to give in this stunning setting. Opal Beach Resort and Spa, Palm Beach. The Opal Beach Resort and Spa, another recipient of the 5-star, 5-diamond award, is a luxurious boutique hotel well worth your money. This top-tier resort has a 42,000 square foot spa, complete with a wishing well and whipped cupcakes, in addition to 7 acres of soft, sandy beach. At the elegant Angle restaurant, customers can expect fresh fish and top-notch American cuisine. When it comes to views, it's difficult to find a restaurant that is closer to the water than Breeze Ocean Kitchen. While being soothed by waves breaking on the coast, roast s'mores over the outdoor fire pit at the Stir Bar and Terrace. Treasure Island Beach Resort, Treasure Island. While Treasure Island Beach Resort lacks the luxurious spas seen at many of the other properties on our list, you won't feel the need for a massage after spending a few hours here. This little resort has 77 beautifully appointed and large apartments with great views of the Gulf or the resort, as well as kitchenettes to make in-room eating a breeze. Outside, you may cycle, rollerblade, or walk along the boardwalk while admiring the Gulf of Mexico's beautiful seas. When you've gotten your fill of the sun, plunge into the Gulf's warm, tranquil waves and float back to the sugar-white sands. The gorgeous beachfront pool is a must-visit, and you can enjoy a cool drink and tasty meal poolside while you relax.